Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are doing well. Welcome to NIPS Home School. This is Daliya Sultana, an assistant teacher, National Ideal English Version School. Today I would like to discuss about computer subject of mark distribution. Our today's topic, discuss marks distribution or subject computer class 3. Our lecture number 17. So let's start our class. Dear learners, look at the board carefully. In our computer subject, total marks will be held 50. Total marks 50, and here are two topics are given. Number 1, multiple choice questions, and number 2, short questions. Multiple choice questions 1, each questions carry 1 marks. You have to answer 30 multiple choice questions out of 30, and short questions, and each questions carry 2.5 marks. I repeat, each questions carry 2.5 marks. You have to answer 8 questions out of 10. Out of 10 you have to answer 8 questions, and each question 2.5, and total 20 marks. Total 20 marks. Multiple choice questions 30, and you have to write only right answer. Don't need to pick the question, only answer. And number 2, short questions, write only answer. Don't need to pick the question, only write your answer. 30 and 20, in total your 50 marks. Total 50 marks. So dear learners, do practice at your home regularly, and avoid by your parents. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. See you next class.